everyone, welcome back to my channel, Style Society. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a Tarte haul that I had done. This is a little bit embarrassing because I had purchased these items back at the end of December when they had a extra 25% off and free shipping to Canada promotion going on. And they've been sitting in this box unopened ever since. Some of these items are still on sale at the Tarte website, so I'm going to show you guys what I had purchased, do some swatches, and give you some of my first impressions on these items. Let's get to it. First up, we have the Make a Splash Hydrating Skin Saver Set. Now, moisturizing your skin is key to preventing fine lines and wrinkles, especially when it's cold and dry out in the winter. So I wanted to give this set a try, and I only paid $8 for it. Let's check out what's in here. First, there's a mini size of the Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist. I really do like using facial mist, especially after I wash my face when my skin feels the most dry. So according to Tarte's website, this is a multi-purpose setting spray that primes, sets, hydrates, and refreshes skin while locking down makeup for 12 hours and smoothing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so I'm just going to give this one a try here. First impressions, this product does have a nice light refreshing scent, which I do quite like. And the spray on this does give out a nice mist, though I know that this is a small size, so I cannot comment on how the spray works on the full size product. The set also comes with a mini size Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. And it comes with a little Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. This is what the moisturizer looks like. This one also has a light scent to it, but it doesn't seem to linger for very long, which is good. This does feel a little bit sticky right now, but hopefully it will dry down a bit because I generally do not like tacky feeling moisturizers. Next, we have something that came in one of these Tarte baggies. Not quite sure what is in here. So this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Twinkle Lights Highlighting Set. Okay. Alright, so this is the Tarte Twinkle Stick. So the stick looks like this. Show you guys what the swatch looks like. The set also came with a mini-sized Fake Awake eyeliner pencil. This is really itty-bitty here. So this one is pretty much a nude skin tone color. As the name of the product suggests, you use this to line the inner corners of your eyes to give you a more awake look. I'm going to give this highlighter stick a try. This is what the highlighter looks like on my cheek there. It's not too bad. I'm gonna leave the other side because I think I have another highlighter somewhere in the set. Let's see, what do we have next in here? Okay. I have the Effortless Essentials Color Collection. This one comes with a highlighter, a Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist, and a lip paint. This is what comes in the little box. This one comes with a mini-size Amazonian Clay highlighter in the shade Glimmer. Ooh. This is what this one looks like. do a swatch. So I'm gonna try this highlighter on the other side of my face now. This is what the highlighter looks like. So first impressions on this highlighter. This one doesn't come with a mirror, so that kind of sucks. But I only paid $7.50 for the set, so I'm not going to complain about that. In terms of the highlighter itself, it's not super glittery. So if you're looking for a more natural highlighter look, this might be a good one to try out. Next, I'm going to try the Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. This Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist seems to have less functionality when compared to the Marine Boosting 4-in-1 Mist. This one is to be used primarily as a makeup refresher and not as a setting spray like the other one. I'm gonna give this one a try now. First impressions, the spray on this bottle wasn't quite as nice as the Marine Boosting one, but this one does have a nice spearmint, minty type of scent to it. So definitely good for those who want a refresher during the day. And lastly, the set came with a mini size Tarteist glossy lip paint. This one doesn't seem to have a shade on it, but let's just do a swatch to see what this one looks like. Seems to be like a pretty nice pink. I'm just going to try it on my lips right now. Okay, the gloss is not drying, so that's nice. It's not sticky as well. This is what the lip gloss looks like on my lips, and it's not sticky, and it also feels quite moisturizing, so I quite like it. The next set here is the Tartist Lip Trio, and this one comes with the Epic Tartist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint, the Token Tartist Glossy Lip Paint, and the Bubbly Tartist Lip Crayon. This one is the lip crayon and it's in the shade Bubbly. These are so tiny and cute. I think these would be great for traveling with. Then there's another glossy lip paint in the shade Token. And there's a lip paint in the shade Epic. Okay, so I'm gonna try on the lip paint now. So this is what the lip paint looks like on me. First impressions, I am not a fan of this product. It's drying and sticky as well. I don't know if you can see this, but not a fan of this lip paint. Next up is the Precious Picks color set. This one comes with a blush, a mascara, and a lipstick. This is what the blush looks like. Again, the shade is Ornate. It's very silky smooth. That's a swatch of the blush there. And then this is what the mascara looks like. It's a interesting packaging shape. It's not your typical cylindrical tube. And it has your typical mascara wand. And there's a mini size of the Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick, and this shade is Surf's Up. This is what this one looks like. There's a swatch of it. Let's give this one a try here. Okay, so this is what the shade looks like on my lips. It's not sticky, which is great. It's a little bit moisturizing. I do feel a little bit in there. Overall, I think it's not bad. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show you guys is a Double Duty Beauty Eye and Cheek Palette. This one is in the shade Sultry Star Power. This is what this one looks like. It's very nice. There's a nice weight to it. And the palette seems fairly sturdy. Comes with a mirror, which I like, and this is what this palette looks like. I paid only $13.50 for this one, so not a bad price. Let's get into some swatches. So there are 5 shades in here. They are Glimmer, Twilight, Stiletto, Ladies Night, and Sparks Fly. And the blush is called Star Power. First impressions on this palette, I think that the lighter shades Glimmer and Ladies Light aren't super pigmented, but the darker shades Twilight, Stiletto, and Sparks Fly are shades that I would probably use on a regular basis. The blush seems to be a nice shade as well. It's kind of like a brownish pink color. This is the last set that I have to show you guys. This one is the Tarte Starter Skin and Color Set. This one I only paid $16.50 for it. So this is everything that comes in the set. The set comes with a pretty decent size deep dive cleansing gel. That's what the cleansing gel looks like. Doesn't have a very strong scent, but it does have a slight refreshing scent to it. Then it comes with the Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. That's what the packaging looks like. And again, it also has your typical wand tip there. Looks quite similar to the other mascara that I had showed earlier. And we have another Amazonia Clay 12-hour blush. This one is in the shade Monarch. What this one looks like. Also very, very silky smooth in the pan. This one, it's like a nice peachy pink. It's not very dark though, so it might be hard to see there. Might be hard to get on camera, but it is a nice peachy pink shade there. This set came with the Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. This one is the same product that I had showed you earlier in this set, but this one is a larger jar. Yeah, looks the same. This one comes with a Maracuja Sea Brighter Eye Treatment. This is an eye cream. This is what the eye cream looks like in the jar. There's a light scent to it, but it also goes away pretty soon after. And it feels quite rich and quite moisturizing. I love trying out different eye creams. I use eye cream every day, every night. So I'm excited to give this one a try actually. And the last thing in this set is the Brighter Days Highlighting Moisturizer Cream. That's what this moisturizer looks like. I can definitely see the brightening effect from this moisturizer. Alright guys, that's everything I hauled from Tarte, and I hope you enjoyed opening up some packages with me and testing some of these products out. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love beauty, I love to shop, and I love sharing with you guys. I hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!